it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for a great way to organize your life, this acrylic dry erase set from Bailkind is so perfect.
For as much as I love to organize, I have such a hard time actually scheduling and remembering things. So, this set is perfect for somebody like me, where it comes with everything I need to keep track of things monthly and to make lists and have them right in front of me. This comes with magnets where you can either mount it right to your refrigerator, or if you want to put these on a wall, you can do that as well. I love all the different color markers that it comes with, and I love that it's this clear acrylic, so it isn't super standout-ish against my refrigerator. And I love how bright these colors are, so they really pop, and that it comes with a holder that sticks to the fridge, as well as a microfiber cloth and a hanger for it. It really is the perfect thing to write down everything that you need, have it at your fingertips, and see it right when you enter your kitchen.
I love this dry erase set. It makes organizing my monthly tasks so easy, and the colors are super fun. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.